to apply makeup. First, determine what type of skin you have. Oily combination, perfectly moisturized, dry, and etc. This is the kind of concealer. Apply concealer to any red or discolored spots in the corner of your eyes where it's red around the nostrils and under the eyes to make you look more awake. Apply foundation that matches to your skin. Yes, put on the eyeshadow. Apply a small amount of blush to the apples of your cheek. Smile so you can see the apple of your cheek. Apply liquid eye and liquid eyeliner. The next, apply the eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil color that is very close to your natural eyebrow. Apply lash curler and mascara. Use a lash curler before applying any mascara. Is apply the mascara. Stick or lip gloss. Apply split stick or lip gloss. It will spread it evenly. Use the pressed powder to lightly powder the rest of your face and the area under your eyes. Use very light pressure. Keep your pressed powder in your purse for touch-up.